Wagwan. Hi, welcome back to my channel. So, if you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming. So, in today's video, we'll be making stew chicken, and I'm just going to clean up my chicken, remove all the skin, all the fat. And when you're done doing that, you're just going to go ahead and cut the chicken into pieces. You can cut it as fine as you want, or I wouldn't say leave it big, just cut it up in a reasonable size. This way the chicken will be cooked faster and more thoroughly. When you're done cutting up your chicken, you want to get some lemon juice, lime, whatever it is that you have, vinegar, to clean your chicken, and you're going to wash your chicken in that. Once that's done, you're going to add onion, scallion, and garlic to your chicken. I'm also adding some pepper. So if you have, depends on what type of pepper you have. I don't have the Scotch bonnet pepper, so I'm just going to add the one that I have. You can put as much as you want or as little as you want. Then I'm using browning, grace as we know it in Jamaica, browning to color my meat, and also I will be adding some sweet chili sauce. Then I'm adding Maggi chicken seasoning, some all-purpose cayenne pepper, and some black pepper. I don't use a lot of unnecessary seasoning for my food because I already use a lot of spices that comes from Jamaica that is good enough. And I definitely don't add salt to my food, especially meat when I'm using a lot of seasoning. So just stir that and use your hand playing it. Just stir it up, blend everything, and get it all nice and brown. Once we're doing that, we're going to cover our meat and you can let it sit overnight, or you can allow it to sit for a few hours. Depends on the time that you have. I will be making some cornmeal dumpling to go with my stew chicken, but a lot of people like it with rice also. You can basically eat stew chicken with whatever you want. You can eat it with some potatoes, some mashed potatoes. It doesn't matter, whatever you want. You can eat it just with bread, whatever it is that you choose to eat it with. And to go with that, I will be boiling some green banana. I'm going to use two techniques. One that I've always used in Jamaica, one that I learned since I came here to America. And the one that I learned since I came here is to boil the banana in the skin and just slice down the middle of the banana, which is very weird. I never get why they did that, but I'm going to peel my banana and I'm going to do off and off, and then I'm going to tell you which one actually I like the best. I'm going to add my banana to some boiling water with salt, and I'm going to allow that to cook for 10 minutes. It can be less, depends, on the type of banana and how you like your banana. If you like it soft, 10 minutes. If not, then you can go maybe like 7 minutes, I would say, the least. As you can see, I did the two techniques and I'm going to test them right now, because this is the first time I'm actually doing these two techniques to see which one I like best at once. And I can tell you, I definitely like the traditional way of doing it, which is boiling it without the skin. If you cannot peel banana, you can do it in the skin, but I would advise you, please learn to peel the banana. It's not that hard. And if you're a girly that wear nails, you can still peel banana in nails. It's possible. I have done it. Just learn how to do it. Now that my banana is out the way, I'm going to start boiling my dumplings, and I would usually boil them together, but because I was doing the experiment, I had to do them separate just to see how the banana turned out. So now I'm going to start with boiling my dumplings. If you want me to teach you how to make dumplings, leave me a comment and I'll definitely do a video on that, going through all the details with the instructions. Now that our chicken is marinated, we're just going to fry it up before cooking it down, just to give it that nice brown color and also texture. Once you're done frying your chicken on the inside until it get that brown nice color, just remove the oil from the pot and add your chicken to it with the seasoning that we left in the container that our chicken was marinating in. You put that in the pot. Now add water to that, not covering the chicken entirely, and then cover that and allow it to cook. You're going to cook this for about 10 to 15 minutes. After the 10 to 15 minutes, just add your carrots and potatoes and a piece of scallion. Then allow that to cook for another 10 minutes. We want to make sure that the potato and the carrot is cooked before we reach to the next step. Now we're at the final step. Just add some onions and some sweet pepper, and we're going to allow this to simmer for about 5 minutes. And once you get to the desired gravy that you want, you can turn it off. It's done. You can have that delicious stew chicken that you just made for yourself. And remember, if you're not already a subscriber, it is free to do so. Leave me a like and leave me a comment. You see how that chicken is so pretty? It is so pretty and it is very tasty. Do you use salt when you're seasoning your meat? I would love to know. Tell me in the comments. Dinner is now ready and I'm packing my husband's lunch. Don't ask me why I cut up the dumpling for him. That's how he likes it, and I think it is more suitable to do it this way whenever I'm packing it because it fits better. Now I'm about to have my dinner, so I'll see you in my next video. Have a wonderful day.